Uh-oh, I got it too.
Brian, you got two
I'm
thumbs
done
up
with
now.
them now.
I'm done too. I decided.
No, I'm not.
Uh-oh, another 6 packs of beer coming. Our summer coming.
We see where your mind's at. 6-pack of beer.
Chris!
Quit banging on the table because that goes right through the floor and they will start banging up here. Why, you banging direct on the floor?
Oh, no, you got him again.
Part 2.
Put that back in the refrigerator. Put that back in the
Break your
refrigerator.
beer.
No, put it back in the refrigerator.
He says he ain't drinking no beer till our pickups are gone. Come hell or high water, pickups go first.
Exactly.
Beer or cider.
Hey, Chris. Look, he beat.
And Steve's making a video out of this fucking...
Maybe he's pointing it at you. Haha.
Yeah, I know.
You know what? Look at me. Don't make fun.
Hey, your ugly face got on the internet tonight.
What's that?
Oh,
Your ugly face got on the internet tonight.
Ah.
But yeah,
I
you know,
tweeted on you.
you know it's true because you couldn't corral.
Hey, Brian, did you get that?
Yup.
He's talking to his mother that way.
But yeah. Oh, God damn, hiccup.
I can't. This is my hand.
No, but you put your legs down just to make it normally okay. Somehow, at least a little bit okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, Brian, have it.
Didn't do anything.
Oh, that's going on YouTube also.
Even looking at you, no, we didn't do anything. No more beer, no more hiccups are gone.
Get rid of the fucking hiccups.
Oh, great. Brent's going to be looking at the video on all of it. And you're saying, get rid of fucking hiccups.
Don't do this, Brian.